Hi everybody, this is Dinner with Douce Taste Test. I just like to tell everybody this is our first show after Fiona decided to come and have a visit to PEI, and it left quite a path with a lot of destruction and trees down everywhere. And I just like to thank all the line crews from all over the country who come down and helping everybody out down here. And I was without power myself without almost 2 weeks. And now we're going to get out of the freezer a freezy. Which is called Pickle-Ice, a flavored frozen pop. Van Holsten's. So that's almost like, to me, it's German. And it's gluten-free, fat-free, and it's made in the USA. There's Gilbert wanting a little bit, and Spuddy's there with him too. Now I'm going to open her up. Oh, it even has a little thing you can. Oh, Gilbert wants some. I don't know if you're going to like this, Gilbert. Huh? Oh, I didn't cut the top off that time. Yeah, there we go. There we go. I don't know, so hard to get open. I don't know. She's quite hard to get open. Whoa, pop goes the weasel. There we go, we got her open this time. So, and it sort of looks like a line pop sort of idea. But it was, oh, Gilbert wants some more. But it's some hard to get open. There we go. And it smells like a dill pickle. I don't know if it's safe to try this or not. Here, Spuddy, you want to try it? Spuddy, you want to try it? Spuddy seems to like the smell of it. Anyway, here goes nothing. It does taste like a pickle. Actually, one of them big dill pickles.
You like pickles?
Not dill. I like mustard pickles, but I don't like these dill pickles. But it does. It's literally a frozen pickle. That's what it tastes like. Oh, oh. Somebody who likes pickles, I think they like it, but
it smells really strong.
That, and it's a very, very strong smell off it. And it says you can refresh, rehydrate, and no sugar. It's got a picture of a dill pickle on it, and that's what it literally tastes like. So if you're a pickle lover, you're going to like this. Well, a dill pickle lover, I should say, but me personally, I might give it a 1, and that's being generous. Anyway, that's all for now, folks. Hope everybody's safe. And remember, be nice to everybody. See ya. Whoa, pop goes the weasel. There we go. It smells like a dill pickle. I don't know if it's safe to try this or not.